Hi, everyone. We're excited to announce the Learning Design Community Awards. Since 2024, we've collaborated with learning designers all over the world to create best-in-class learning designs and added them to the community, accessible both within FeedbackFruits or through our website. And now we've made it possible to submit yours directly within FeedbackFruits. So, to submit your learning design to the community and to participate in the awards, simply follow these steps. First, navigate to a space within FeedbackFruits that you have access to. This could either be a personal space or a shared space. Once inside the space, find the template that you'd like to share. In my example, I want to share this template for pre-class preparation so that students can watch a video prior to class, engage with each other, discuss, and answer any questions. I'll open up the template and I'll navigate to the three-dot menu up here in the corner. You'll find a new option called the Submit to Community button. Once you click on that, a dialog will open up. In this dialog, you can provide us with some more details. You can change the title or adapt the description if you desire, and you can add a message. Now, in this message, we encourage you to provide any details around the learning design, the outcomes associated with it, or any context that's relevant to know as to how it was used or the process of designing it. Now, before you submit it, make sure to check the terms of use and the privacy policy. The FAQ will also answer any questions that you may have around that. Once you accept both of those, you can submit the template. Once it's submitted, you'll receive a confirmation that it has been submitted and that our team will reach out to you regarding your submission. Now, if you have any questions in the meantime, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team or your FeedbackFruits contact person. Thank you so much.